it's me Rijula. Welcome to Rihanna's Aurora channel, and today we're gonna tell you about the Microsoft Whiteboard. If you are new here, then let me show you some items here. So this is the toolbox. You can see 7 pens. This is not a pen, this is a highlighter. Black pen, red pen, blue pen, green pen, rainbow pen, and galaxy pen. This is a highlighter, neon yellow, eraser, ruler, lasso select, add text, add note, image menu, and insert menu, undo and redo. If you go to the insert menu, click on that and you can see 7 items over here. You can see note grid, list, follow-up list, template, PDF, Word document, and PowerPoint document. So these are the items in here, and if you press on the image menu, you can see 3 items. Library image. This is library image. Then you have Bing image. You can search an image on Bing. Then you may have, let me show you the demo of the pens. So this is the black pen, red pen, blue pen, green pen, rainbow pen, and galaxy pen. This is the neon yellow highlighter. If you want to mark some words, you can use this neon yellow highlighter. Then if you want to go to the eraser, you have to erase this. I think everybody knows that. And if you want to erase everything permanently, all you have to do is to double click on the eraser and press clear canvas. And there you go. Everything is deleted. Now let me show you the demo of a ruler. This is a ruler. You can rotate the scale. Example, if you're doing math, you can put a right angle. If you want to do geometry, there you go. You can see centimeters, degrees, and there you go. This is a demo of a scale. I'm gonna press undo of that. Oops, not that. And you have lasso select. If you have accidentally scratched on there, all you have to do is to press lasso select, and you have Freeform selection. You can see 5 items here. You have ink color picker, copy, cut, delete, and alt text. If you are pointing on the ink color picker, click on that and you can change the color of what you have done. You can see some solid colors and 2 gradient, as I have drawn rainbow and galaxy. So let me show you a demo of that. If you want to make that pink, there you go. And if you want to make it galaxy, there you go. Rainbow, same thing. I'm gonna put it as default. And you have copy, cut, delete, alt text. Many of the people may get confused what is alt text. Let me show you a demo of that. So this is alt text. If you want to do alternative text, you can click on that alt text. And if you want to write some description, I'm gonna write like that. I'm showing a demo of that. This is called alternative text. We don't need that. I'm gonna erase that permanently. I'm gonna use the select button and delete it off. And you can see add text, add note. There, these both are there. So all you have to do, if you want to add some text, you can go to the A icon, add text, type here. You want to type some like this. This could be useful for the typewriters, and I'm gonna put that. And next, add note. This is add note. So in that you can type something like that. I'm writing the same sentence. And if you want to delete it, all you have to do is to press on that sticky note. You can see some items, more items here. You can edit the note. You can like it. Background color, not ink, background color. If you want to make it like this is used only in background, not in ink. So I'm gonna put it normally, copy it, delete it, and you have three dots. You have cut and alt text. As I showed you earlier, this alt text. And then you can see the three lines. If you click on that, you can see some settings. Active pen, ink to shape, ink to table, object snapping, export, format background, toolbar location, clear canvas. It is also shown here. There are two things are there. And you have accessibility checker, send feedback, privacy and security, help, and about. Many of you may get confused what is ink to shape and ink to table. So let me show you. So ink to shape means if you are drawing this is select. So if you are drawing a rectangle or a square, you can draw like this. There you go. Rectangle, circle, there you go. And triangle. And if you want to, this is the demo of shapes. I'm gonna have to go to the clear canvas. And if you want to do ink to table, this is a demo of ink to table. You have to do this. And this is ink to table. You want to enlarge it, minus it, put like this, and there you go. This is called ink to table. If you want to write something, or you can enlarge it like this, and there you go. That's it. And you have some like feedback, privacy, security. I'm not going to teach that. And you can see active pen. If you're drawing, if you can't draw if you're in touchscreen, you need a active pen. All you have to do, go to the active pen. I'm offing that, and it appeared again. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give the big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the Enhance Aurora channel. And until next time, it's me Rajula from the Enhance channel. Hit a like, share, and request me some more videos. Let's see you guys next time. Goodbye.